This video will review how to add a video to your Canvas course. So the most popular thing that we're asked by faculty is how to add a link to a video to Canvas. And there are several ways that you can go about doing that. So we're going to explore a few of those options in this tutorial video. First, I'm going to go to my module space and think about how I can add a video at the module level. I've previously created my demo module 1 that's currently not published. My cloud is gray. And right next to this bar, I see a plus sign that I can click on that allow me to add content to this module. And again, I want to add a video. So for these purposes, the file, I could add a video by adding a file. So if I had some kind of audio video file I wanted to add, that's certainly one option. But that will always be slower than streaming a video file from the internet that's somewhere else. So a TED Talk, a YouTube video, something of that nature. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is actually select external URL. And this would allow me to add an external URL and name the page and add the video that way. So here I already have my video up and available, so I'm going to grab this YouTube link by copying it. I'm going to go back to my Canvas course. I'm just going to pop that link here by hitting Control V. I'm going to call this my Canvas demo video. And I can choose to either have this load in a new tab or just load straight up in the page that the students are on, and I'm going to go ahead and add that item. And so again, it's not published currently, but here's my video, my demo video, and I can click on publish and that would make it live, and of course I could click and you'll see that it's going to launch the video in a small box. Now if the video won't load, it's important to note that students can go ahead and click on Canvas demo video here at the top, and that's going to open that new tab to start the video for the students. So just because something's not working perfectly in Canvas doesn't mean that the students still can't access the information. There are always links, especially when we're linking to external web pages. So that's one way, but of course it's not ideal, right? We had this tech issue of the video file not loading embedded into the field. So are there other ways that we can load a video into Canvas? Absolutely. So the next thing I'm going to try to do is actually add a page. So I'm going to add a page, a content page in Canvas, and I'm going to call this page demo video. And I'm going to go ahead and add that item. And so it's now made this kind of basically like a web page for me in Canvas. So it's a blank web page, and I can edit this web page however I'd like. And so I have the rich text editor box where I can, choose my different fonts and that kind of thing. And if I hover over some of these things, the V here are external tools that I can explore in Canvas, and I'm going to explore the Public Resources tool. And you'll see here that Public Resources is going to allow you to search a few apps, popular apps that might be helpful for you to find a video source. So I'm going to click on YouTube here, and I'm going to be able to search using this box for a video that I want to post in my course. So if my course was on Shakespeare, and I type in Shakespeare, it's going to give me the top search results for Shakespeare. And I'm going to go ahead and pick this Shakespeare sonnet. And if I click on embed, it's going to go ahead and embed that video onto my Canvas page. So that's awesome, right? So now I have my video added on a Canvas page, and I can save that change, and it's going to show me what that page looks like. And now, bam, there's my video, there's my guy doing his sonnet presentation tips, and I'm ready to go. Now, there's no information or discussion here for the students, nor any citation information, so I could go back and edit this, and I could simply hit return a couple times and start some text before the video. So please watch this video. Be prepared to discuss in class, etc. Right? And so if I go ahead and click the changes by hitting save and saving those changes, there's my text now above the video. So that's certainly one way that we could go about adding video content to our Canvas course. So I want to show you one other option, and I'm going to go back to my modules page to show you another option. So we went ahead and we added a demo video, and we added it through a page and through a direct external link. But we also can get that same functionality in quizzes. So we could have a short video be a part of quiz instructions. We can do it with assignments. So assignments are going to have that same text box where we could add video files. So anything that I did on a page, we can do in the direction spaces for assignments and quizzes. So that's one kind of cool way to start a student off on an assignment. And that is very briefly how to add external videos to your Canvas course. One last thing I'm going to show you, and I'm going to go back into this demo video page, is that you can also choose to record your own videos. So if you wanted to offer a brief tutorial to your students or some kind of audio narrative, you could simply click here, this little film strip that'll be record or upload media. And if I allow my camera to be accessed, I can do a web recording right in Canvas. Using my webcam, and I can title it, and I can also choose, there I am, I can also choose to upload media. So if I had media pre-stored, I have another option there, and then this would simply also embed on this page for the students. So another kind of cool way to add video and to personalize your course. So in a nutshell, that is how to add video and add video you create to a Canvas course.